In the lush green canopies of Southeast Asia, something quite remarkable happens. A creature we normally associate with the ground suddenly defies gravity. It is the paradise flying snake, and it is a true marvel of the natural world. This is not a creature with wings like a bird or a bat. It is a snake through and through. Yet, it has mastered the art of gliding through the air. Imagine standing on the forest floor, looking up, and seeing a ribbon of green and black soaring from one giant tree to another. It is a sight that challenges everything we think we know about these fascinating reptiles. The paradise flying snake, or Chrysopelea paradisi, is a beautiful animal. Its scales shimmer with a vibrant green color. They are decorated with intricate patterns of black and bright yellow or orange spots along its back. This striking appearance helps it blend into the sun-dappled leaves of the forest canopy. It is a slender snake, typically growing to about 1 meter in length. This slight build is crucial for its aerial lifestyle. It is not a heavy, cumbersome creature. Instead, it is perfectly designed for a life lived almost entirely among the branches, high above the forest floor below. This snake's ability to fly is not powered flight. It does not flap its body to gain height. Instead, it performs a controlled glide. It launches itself from a high branch with a powerful push. Once airborne, it begins a mesmerizing dance with the air. It seems to float, suspended for a moment, before gracefully descending towards its target. This behavior is not just for show, it is an essential part of its life. It uses gliding to travel efficiently, to escape from predators, and to hunt for its next meal. It is an extraordinary adaptation that sets it apart from all other snakes. The first time one witnesses this event, it can be quite startling. A snake should not be in the air, but nature is full of surprises. The paradise flying snake reminds us that evolution can produce the most incredible solutions to the challenges of survival. It has taken the typical snake body plan and transformed it into something new and unexpected. It has conquered the space between the trees, turning the air itself into its highway. This is a story of adaptation, of beauty, and of a creature that has truly mastered its unique and vertical world. It is a spectacle of nature's ingenuity. The home of the paradise flying snake is the tropical rainforest. It lives high up in the trees of countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and the Philippines. This world, known as the canopy, is a dense network of leaves and branches. It is a challenging environment to navigate. Moving from one tree to another can mean a long and dangerous journey, down to the ground and back up again. For the paradise flying snake, however, this is not a problem. It has developed a far more elegant solution. It simply glides across the gaps, saving precious energy and avoiding dangers that lurk on the forest floor. The secret to its gliding ability lies in a remarkable physical transformation. As the snake launches into the air, it flattens its body dramatically. It sucks in its stomach and flares out its ribs. This changes its round body shape into a wide, concave U-shape, almost like a shallow, curved ribbon. This new shape acts like a parachute or a wing. It catches the air as the snake descends, creating lift. This lift is what slows its fall and allows it to travel forward, covering surprising distances. It is an incredible feat of biological engineering happening in an instant, but simply changing its shape is not enough. To control its glide, the snake also moves its body in a specific way. It undulates from side to side in a distinct S-shaped pattern. This is not the same movement it uses to slither on the ground. This aerial motion is more fluid and deliberate. Scientists believe this undulation helps to stabilize the snake in the air. It prevents it from tumbling and allows it to steer. By making small adjustments to these waves, the snake can direct its path, aiming for a specific landing spot on another tree trunk or branch. The snake can glide for impressive distances, sometimes up to 100 meters in a single launch. The journey begins with careful preparation. The snake will creep to the end of a branch, dangle in a J shape, and then thrust its body upwards and away from the tree. As it becomes airborne, the flattening and undulating begin immediately. It descends at a gentle angle, a living glider navigating the complex aerial pathways of the rainforest. This amazing ability allows it to move through its three-dimensional world with a grace and efficiency that is truly breathtaking to behold. Life in the canopy is a constant challenge, and the paradise flying snake has developed clever strategies to thrive. Its primary diet consists of small animals that share its treetop home. It is an agile hunter, preying on lizards, frogs, and occasionally birds or bats. Its ability to glide gives it a significant advantage. It can launch a surprise attack from above or move quickly between hunting grounds without ever touching the ground. This allows it to access prey that might be out of reach for other, less mobile predators in the complex forest canopy. The snake is mildly venomous, a feature that helps it subdue its prey quickly. The venom is delivered through small fangs at the back of its mouth. While it is effective on small lizards and frogs, it is not considered dangerous to humans. This venom is a crucial tool for a predator that must often catch its meal in a precarious position, high on a branch or tree trunk. A struggling animal could cause the snake to lose its grip and fall. The fast-acting venom ensures that the prey is immobilized swiftly, making the hunt safer and more successful for the snake. Camouflage is another essential survival tool. The snake's vibrant green and black coloring might look conspicuous, but it is remarkably effective in the dappled light of the rainforest canopy. The pattern breaks up its outline, making it difficult for both predators and prey to spot among the shifting leaves and shadows. When the snake remains perfectly still, it can seem to disappear completely into the foliage. This ability to blend in allows it to avoid detection by sharp-eyed birds of prey, such as eagles, which are one of its main threats in the high canopy. When camouflage is not enough and a predator gets too close, the snake's gliding ability becomes its ultimate escape plan. A quick launch into the air can take it far away from danger in a matter of seconds. A predator on a branch, like a monkey or another snake, is left behind as the paradise flying snake sails to the safety of a distant tree. This unique form of locomotion is therefore not just for travel, it is a life-saving maneuver. It is an extraordinary adaptation that gives this reptile a decisive edge in the daily struggle for survival. The paradise flying snake plays an important role in the health of its rainforest ecosystem. As a predator, it helps to control the populations of smaller animals like lizards and frogs. By keeping these numbers in check, it maintains a delicate balance within the food web of the forest canopy. Every creature has its part to play, and the flying snake is a key regulator in its high-rise world. Its presence is a sign of a healthy, functioning ecosystem, where the complex relationships between predator and prey are thriving as they should in this environment. These snakes are not just hunters, they are also a food source for other animals. Birds of prey, such as serpent eagles, are skilled at spotting them from above. By forming a link in the food chain, the paradise flying snake contributes to the flow of energy through the ecosystem. It connects the smaller creatures it feeds on with the larger predators that hunt it. This role, as both predator and prey, makes it a vital part of the biodiversity that makes tropical rainforests so rich and complex. The loss of this species would have ripple effects throughout its habitat. Unfortunately, like many rainforest inhabitants, the paradise flying snake faces threats to its survival. The biggest danger is deforestation. As forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban development, the snake loses its home. The tall trees it depends on for launching its glides are disappearing at an alarming rate. Without a continuous canopy, the snake cannot travel, hunt, or escape from predators. Its unique adaptation is useless without the specific environment it evolved in. Protecting the rainforests is therefore essential to protecting this incredible creature. Conservation efforts are crucial for the future of the paradise flying snake. Creating protected national parks and forest reserves helps to preserve the large connected areas of canopy it needs to survive. Further research into its behavior and population numbers also helps us understand how best to protect it. The paradise flying snake is a living testament to the wonders of evolution. It is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and our responsibility to safeguard these natural treasures for generations to come. It truly is one of nature's most spectacular